books of the Bible lead us to revival. Read them one by one, see what God has done. Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, Deuteronomy, Joshua, Judges, Ruth, 1st and 2nd Samuel, 1st and 2nd Kings, 1st and 2nd Chronicles, Ezra, Nehemiah, Esther, Job, Psalms, Proverbs, Ecclesiastes, Song of Solomon. The books of the Bible lead us to revival. Name them one by one, see what God has done. The books of the Bible lead us to revival. Name them one by one, see what God has done. Isaiah, Jeremiah, Lamentations, and Ezekiel, Daniel, Hosea, Joel, Amos, Obadiah, and Jonah, Micah, Nahum, Habakkuk, Zephaniah, Haggai, Zechariah, Malachi. We've named all the books of the Old Testament. Now it's time to get to the rest of it. The books of the Bible lead us to revival. Name them one by one, see what God has done. The books of the Bible lead us to revival. Name them one by one, see what God has done. Matthew, Mark, Luke, and